everybody keeps asking us to make some more air fryer recipes. So today we're going to make crustless chicken pizza.
Welcome back to Cooking with Shotgun Red, and I'm Sheila.
And I'm Jennifer.
And today we have a quick one.
This is an easy recipe. And really, you could do this in the oven, but it's really fast and really easy with the air fryer. And so we have our chicken breast, and you're just going to get regular boneless, skinless chicken breast. And we've already got those cut open and butterflied open for you. We're going to just keep them shut for right now, and we're going to take a little bit of olive oil, and we're going to baste over both the top and the bottom side of that. She's flinging olive oil. Go, Sheila, go.
Here we go.
Calm down with that.
You know I want to hurry and get this done. Right?
I can tell. She's hungry again. It's time for the 2 o'clock feeding or something. I don't know. Here, let me wipe that off.
Yeah, here too.
Sheila got a little crazy with the olive oil here. Okay.
Now.
Gotta get that brush out of your hand. I hate to see you paint a house.
You wouldn't believe how fast I get it done.
I bet you get it done fast. So we've got ourselves a Ziploc bag here, and we have Italian breadcrumbs. They're already seasoned and everything, and we're going to take 1 cup of our Italian breadcrumbs. Hold that open for me, dear. And we're going to pour that in our little Ziploc bag, and then I've got a 1/2 cup of shredded Parmesan. And we're going to put that in there and shake all that together, mix that together. Okay, so now we're going to take our chicken breast and we're going to put it inside that bag.
Sling it in here.
And we're going to shake it up.
Oil and all.
Oil and all. Shake it up. And coat both sides of it. Okay, and we're going to do the other one the same way. No, she waits till I grab that out of there. We'll just put that on the plate. And we'll do this one. And we're going to pull that out. And what we're going to do is place these in our air fryer now that they're both completely coated on both sides. We're going to put in the air fryer for about 10 minutes on 375 degrees. When this is done, we're going to open it up and we're going to do the rest of it. So these were on for 10 minutes. And I checked them in between and flipped them over just to make sure. And now we're going to open up and get the inside just a little bit before we put our toppings on there. So we're going to put this on another 4 or 5 minutes on 375 degrees. All right, so now that side's cooked. And we're going to pull these out of here and put them on the plate so we can put some toppings on them. So now we've got our butterflied chicken crust. We can start making our pizza.
Yes.
And so I've got Rayo's pizza sauce here. I love Rayo's. And you know, we use this all the time.
Yes, we do.
And all we're going to do is just take some sauce and spread that on.
I could paint that on there.
I saw the way you paint. There ain't no way I'm giving her this sauce because I'll be wearing this sauce. The way Sheila paints. Here, I'll give you the cheese. How's that?
Yeah, give me the cheese.
You can't hurt me with cheese. Okay, we'll get a little bit of mozzarella cheese.
Mozzarella cheese.
And we're going to put that on. That's good. And we'll put some pepperoni on there. Some slices. You can get the little mini pepperonis if you want, but I kind of like the bigger pepperoni. And, you know, it's whatever you like or how many pieces. Look at, she's loading hers up.
Yes.
And I've got some mushrooms. Put some mushrooms on there. Now, I usually just did this inside the basket of the air fryer, but we wanted to show you, and we're just going to sprinkle a little bit more cheese.
On top.
And we're going to take a little bit of basil. Sprinkle a little basil, just a little bit. I love basil, though. So we're going to put this back in the air fryer, and I'm going to put it on for 4 to 5 minutes on 350, and it should be ready to go. So here we go.
Now we're back.
We are, and doesn't that look yummy?
It does.
It was in there for 4 minutes on 350 degrees, just enough to melt the toppings and get that pizza look, and I say we dig in.
I'm sure. Let's do that right.
You know,
now.
you can't beat an air fryer. I have to say, I really enjoy having this air fryer.
You ready?
I'm ready. Good, huh? Who needs the bread? You got pizza with
healthier.
chicken. It's healthier. Yeah, no carbs hardly.
That cooks tender in this air fryer.
It does. It's completely moist. It's not dried out at all. And so if you've got an air fryer, this would be a great thing for you to make. And I know a lot of people have been asking us to make some more air fryer recipes.
If you don't have one, go get one.
Go get one. Yeah, you're gonna love it. And your kitchen doesn't get hot or anything, which is great.
Probably saves on a lot of utilities.
Oh, I bet it does, because it doesn't take very much, and it's like instant.
All our social media links are right below.
In the comments section, along with the recipe that we've done today,
Yes.
and all of our website links, and you can join our free membership that's right down below also.
I love that. I'm getting ready for it.
She's gonna eat some more. Well, as Steve would say, if this is not the best crustless chicken pizza, if it ain't, it ought to be. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red.
Bye.
Bye.
Well, that's She and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. Hey everybody, Hunter Fisher, Trapper, Trader, Guide, Scout, and Interpreter, and just a country cook, Steve Hall, here in Nashville, Tennessee. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.
Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.
We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.